Got a fella or some people here make stuff out of Huon pine. It's pretty unique. Looks like that's the workshop in there. Unfortunately, it's closed at the moment. That table. Here's a rubber. I did the cruise down to Sarah Island, and now the mill's open.
And the first person ever to invent a saw like this was a slightly famous person, you may have heard of him, Leonardo da Vinci. He's got a sketch in his sketchbook with a vertical frame saw, very similar to this one, except it had the frame built around it, and it was powered by a water wheel. This one is over 130 years of age. When it was first built, it would have been powered by a steam engine. So not only would you have the sound of the saw going through here, you would have that wonderful sound of steam going through the engine as well. Belt drive. And that drive operates the main shaft running underneath the saw. Attached to that main shaft, which is about the same length as this one, and two men would have operated that.
I believe this fella's a third or fourth generation miller.